welcome back to Alter My Closet. I am Jennifer and I have my co-host once again,
Jediah.
So Jediah is getting ready to go back to school soon and we're trying to keep her engaged and entertained. And our last video we did a no soap project. So today we're going to do another no soap project just using her scissors and the material that she needs. So right now we have the filler, okay, for the, what are we gonna make? Cushions?
Pillows.
I guess more so cushions, right? Because the pillow is, yeah. I guess we could use it either way, right?
Right.
All right, so we're going to say we're making no-sew cushions for right now. We have this fabric here that we've had for a long time. And this is one that we had used to make blankets for Jediah when she was a baby. And then we have this here polka dot, same thing. We had used both these fabric to make blankets. So, all right, we are going to start. We're not going to be too long. So we're going to start with one.
And this fabric here reminds me of my little brother.
Oh. Want to go ahead and cut this out, Jediah?
Yep.
You can cut this in half. Just cut, let's see. All right, go ahead and cut going
I wonder
up.
what's inside these bubbles. So we're gonna find out.
Yes, we will. All right, so Jediah is cutting. We're gonna make, okay, so Jediah is intrigued with the little bubbles that's on the fabric here. But yeah.
And it's really cool.
It is cool. All right, the next thing we're going to do is to cut some strips using this fabric here. Okay, Jediah, so let's go ahead and fold this. And then I'm gonna just go ahead and cut the strips here for you.
These strips are so nice and soft and also really stretchy.
They are.
Sorry about that, guys.
All right, so we're cutting up strips so that we can use those to attach and close up our cushions.
Do you see how they bounce? Bang, 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 bang.
They do. Let's try to cut this in half. All right, so let's cut this one as well. Oops. All right, so when we open it out like that, we have quite a bit to work with. All right, so let's see what we have here. I think we're probably gonna have to cut these in half as well. Yeah. All right, Jediah, you get your scissors, and we're gonna cut these in half like this. All right, so the actual length of our ties will be about this. Let's see. You lost your scissors?
No, I just couldn't find them.
All right, so it's about 12 in length as far as the ties go. There it
There
is.
it is. It was under there.
Yes. All right, so here, look. We're gonna double it like that and then cut this in two. Here. Gonna put the scissors through
Oh.
and cut it that way.
I'm gonna do it in 1 second. Ding!
There we go. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and cut these up, guys. Here, cut that in half. All right, so is to put some little, yeah, holes. No, no, no. Not like that. We have to pinch the fabric first. So we pinch the fabric, you know, or fold it, and then do some little holes in the fabric like that. Okay?
I get it.
All right. No, but you gotta fold it first. Fold it and then snip. And I think maybe this fabric is a little bit too thick for your scissors. All right. Ooh. Okay. There you go. You got it. Let's see if you made it. Let's see if you...
Almost.
She did it! Yay! All right. Here. Let's make some more. All right, so we're trying to keep the fabric even, right? So it's just as if you were gonna be sewing it. Gotta even the fabric and put the slits at about the same size going across this way. All right. All right, so next thing we're gonna do is to turn this on the right side, and then we are going to work on this side for right now, where we will be tying. I think I'm gonna go ahead and cut this a little bit thinner. Okay. Then look, Jediah, we're gonna go ahead and string this through like we did with the tank top.
Yeah, I remember.
Good job. And then
And knot it twice.
knot it twice. Good job. All right, so we're gonna work on that and then just see how, you know, productive we are.
There's just music in my mind.
Oh, okay. All right, are we ready? You ready to tie?
Yep, I am ready. Ready.
Here, I'm cutting them a little bit thinner. All right, so your next, hold on, watch your finger. Okay, there we go. And that's the other one. Good job. All right, so we're stringing them through and tying them twice, and we're gonna go around the 3 sides for right now. Here you go. All right, guys, so we have tied our edges together, and it's what time, Jediah?
It's stuffing time.
It's stuffing time. Wonderful. We are so excited. Jediah can't wait to be stuffing her pillow. All right, Jediah.
Wow.
It feels so nice and fluffy like the clouds. I don't know how the clouds feel, but it feels nice and fluffy. All right, so we're going to go ahead and stuff our pillow.
Stuffing.
We're going to fill up.
With the stuffing.
That's right. We're going to fill up all inside. Jediah couldn't wait for this part of the video.
And guess what, guys? I'm doing a dance at the end of the video.
All right. Jediah has seen the vision. She's saying it's starting to become a pillow. You want to show how it's looking so far?
Yeah, I can now show again.
I think that's going to be beautiful. Woohoo! All right, so we are spreading the filling in the corners, filling it out and flattening it out, giving it a nice shape.
Yeah. And that jingle sound was the thing that I was gonna dance in.
Yes. All right, let's see what we got here. This little filling feels so nice. I've had this filling for a long time. 3-4 years since I've had the filling, and finally had, I'm getting a chance to use it for Jediah's pillow.
Yeah. Look, everybody.
Woohoo! Yes, nice and squishy. Want to squish it? Yeah. Nice and squishy. So all you need, yeah. Now here's the finished look. So all you need, guys, is your fabric that you're gonna be using. In our case, we use these 2 pieces here, and use this as the edges, to tie the sides together for our edging, or fringes, you may call it, and just some filler. All right.
And now time for the head test.
All
the
right.
head test is for how you usually treat pillows.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna test it.
Okay.
On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Wonderful. How comfy. That is awesome. Are you loving your pillow?
Yes.
Very nice.
And it's brand new.
Brand new. All right. Are you going to do your dance?
Yeah.
All right.
I just need to follow the moves on my phone.
Okay. All right, guys. Stay tuned for the entertainment. But I am loving this pillow. Yay!
Hooray! We did it.
We did it. Ready?
Okay.
Good job, Jediah. Well, thank you guys for joining us. And you can go out and make your own. All right, guys. So please like, comment, and subscribe if you love this content here. And, follow how we made our no-sew pillow.
Thank you.